So we are doing a watercolor resist with crayon. So at this point, we're going to only draw one step at a time with the crayon and not do any coloring in. This is only making a simple outline. So taking the blue crayon, or green if you don't have blue, I'm going to make a line going across, but not all the way. You notice the paper is longer side to side than it is up and down. Doing a crayon that goes most of the way across, but not all the way, because we're going to be putting a cliff on the side over here. I'm going to put a cliff here. I can put a couple little rock details in here, nothing major. Now in the front, we're going to have our beach area. It's hard to see the yellow, but there is going to be a beachy area here.
Now I can see it just fine.
And then the white is being used to represent the waves coming in. A little bit of sea foam, let's say, coming down here on the side. Now we can go back to our blue, or if you have a green instead, a green crayon, and make lines. Again, these are just perfectly side-to-side lines. These are not up and down, they're not jagged, you're not following any directions. We're just going side to side, like so. Because when you look at the ocean along the horizon line, and this is our horizon line back here, where the sky touches the earth, or in this case, the ocean. And we're going to put in highlights for when we're going to do a sun right back here. And we're going to have highlights from where the sun is hitting the ocean as well. Same thing, exactly side to side. These are called parallel lines when they run next to each other, exactly the same. Parallel. Usually you'll find that things on the horizon line are small close to the sun and they spread out as you go. And most sunsets, because this will be a sunset picture, have more oranges and reds. You get some orangey colors, red tones in there. Sometimes if you overlap your yellow on top, you will find different colors. All right, so we have our yellow sun, our yellow sand line, a brown cliffside. We have the blue for the ocean. We have different highlights. I'm actually going to throw in a couple white highlights too, because I think it's a nice touch. Where the sunset isn't. You can't see the white, I know, but it's there. Get a little bit more there, where the waves have crashed. All right, so the next step we're going to do is, I